Innovations and advancements in solar photovoltaic technology and design measures enabled PSE&G to develop their largest solar power plant to date on this brownfield in Pennsauken, New Jersey. This project of 15.2 megawatt consists of nearly 38,000 solar panels at 400 watts each, and it is located on 32 acres. It will produce enough energy to power approximately 35,000 homes. Installing solar on capped landfills and brownfields allows these areas to be returned to beneficial use and are encouraged for solar versus the installation on green open space. A brownfield is a former industrial or commercial site where future use has been affected by environmental contamination. PSE&G has built and operates numerous rooftop, brownfield, and landfill projects across New Jersey. This particular project was designed and built by Vanguard Energy Partners, the Solar EPC Contractor, and the client of Schwerd Consulting. We were happy to manage and prepare the electrical design and engineering, including the electrical construction documents. Schwerd Consulting also provided these services for Vanguard for another PSE&G solar power plant that was energized in 2018, this one on a landfill in Edison, New Jersey, with a system size of 7.8 megawatts. Schwerd Consulting is a leading solar consulting firm dedicated to design, engineering, owner representation, and project management in all areas of solar photovoltaics for the commercial, industrial, and utility sectors. In its 5 years of business, Schwerd Consulting has provided services for roughly 500 megawatts of PV across over 350 sites and 15 states plus the Caribbean. That total includes 350 megawatts of completed designs and engineering and 150 megawatts of consulting and owner rep services. At Schwerd Consulting, we like to say that we know solar. We don't just do solar. What sets us apart is our 100% focus on solar and understanding the business of our clients. Let Schwerd Consulting take the burden off you and bring ease and expertise in all areas of design and engineering, or help you navigate the world of solar.